Morning, morning. Happy Monday. How are you guys? Hello, hello. How was your weekend? Happy Monday. Do we have any data today? Let's see. Let's see. US leading indicators at 10. We do have data at 10. I had a great weekend. Thank you for asking. I'm tired today. I'm always tired on Mondays. So yeah, we have data in like 17 minutes. I think I'm gonna wait for data. So far I can see SPY rejecting Friday's close. Same thing with the Q. Morning, Vero. Crown strike. Whoa, that was a big candle. Oh yeah. I wanted to see crown strike going back down to 300 because I missed that entry at 300. Let's see if Nvidia can break 141. That's an important level there for Nvidia. Meta is extremely weak. I don't know why Meta's been so weak. Does Meta have a new lawsuit or something like that? Let's see, Nvidia 141, the key level that I'm watching, and crown strike near 317. Morning. And crown strike is not on a gap. Not yet. Yeah, not yet. It's right at the resistance of the gap. So I don't see why you guys talking about a gap there, because it's not yet inside the gap. It's rejecting the beginning of the gap. Okay, so we have Nvidia rejecting 141. Apple looking strong. Microsoft doing nothing. Meta very weak. Ooh, IWM is pulling back to my level. Let's see if we can hold it there. Perfect reaction there on crown strike at 316. No, I would not trade SPY over the VWAP because you have resistance there, right there. We're right at resistance right now. I honestly don't like where SPY is right now. I like more the Q, but SPY is definitely stronger than the Q. Okay, so I'm gonna go and get my coffee and I'll be back before 10 because I'm gonna wait after data at 10 to trade this. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, Nvidia's above 141. Let's see if Apple can hold the VWAP. Microsoft doing nothing. Meta, it's still weak. We have SPY still having trouble around Friday's close. And the Q rejecting 495. So far, not much happening. I think Intel is giving us another entry for the swing trade. Any of you watching the new Korean cooking show on Netflix? I heard it's very good. I need something new to watch. What it's called? I don't remember. Let me check that. It's a new like Korean cooking show on Netflix that everyone is talking about. Oh, it's Culinary Class Wars. Am I still holding Intel? Tell me why not. Explain to me why not. I just said that it's giving you another good entry for that swing. Just making sure what, guys? If excuse me, you cannot ask me if I'm still holding something if I tell you what's my stop loss. No, 141 on Nvidia. 141. Like, let's go through like how we should be trading, right? Like, if let's just say if I'm taking a trade and I tell you what's my plan, I tell you what's my stop loss, I tell you what I'm looking for that stock, and you still don't understand that trade, please don't take it. Like, that is not how you should be trading. That is not how you learn how to trade. Because if that trade goes south, you're not gonna be fast enough to get out. And you definitely gonna have a bigger loss than me because you don't understand the trade. And asking me if I'm still holding a trade that is not even near my stop loss, for me, it means that you don't understand the trade. For me, it means that you're just following me blindly, which is a big no-no. Big no-no. Oh, by the way, you guys saw the new APEX rules? I'm super excited. So excited. We're gonna get way faster payouts, and it's gonna be easier for consistent traders to get paid. But if you YOLO those accounts, you're not gonna get any money from Apex. So basically, if you're a good trader, you're consistent, you're not taking huge positions on each trade, we're gonna have very easy money. Basically, easier and faster payout. Well, my last payout was very fast. I applied, I think it was on Friday or Thursday, and I got approved 1 hour after. So it was very, very fast. And Apex right now, it's 80% off. 80% off. Don't forget to use discount code ADR. It's Apex ADR. Or ADR Apex, both works. Okay, I'm liking this hold on the queue. We already have data out. Nothing happened with that data, but I'm liking this queue hold here. Yeah, I'm liking that queue hold there. I'm liking this 141 hold on Nvidia. Let's see if it's really gonna hold there. So far it's looking like it wants to. And kind of like this consolidation also on Microsoft. Is holding 416, 416, 415. But Microsoft lately, it's been extremely messy. Like very choppy. Meta is still very weak. CrowdStrike, it's still under 317. IWM lost 225 and 224. But I don't know, I don't see anything that I love at this moment. I think I would prefer to see SPY pulling back to at least Friday's low. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. So far, SPY is looking pretty bullish. It's on a clear uptrend today. It doesn't matter, like they don't have like 2, 3 or 4 payouts per month. You just can apply for payouts every 8 days. Doesn't matter to you if it's 2 times per month, 3 times per month. It's just every 8 days. Ooh, that's a big breakout here on the queue. Nice breakout. Okay, we're right at Friday high. Let's see if we can hold the Friday high here, and we might look for an upside trend play here. Nvidia looking pretty good. That was a beautiful pullback at 141. Anyone got that pullback there? Enter on a pullback there, 141 hold. That was perfect. That level was perfect. Microsoft looking interesting here. I think the problem that I have is that SPY has too many resistance above, and today we haven't got any like good pullbacks for me to feel comfortable playing, entering for an upside play. I think that's a problem that I have here. Let's see the SPY too close to resistance, so I don't see a good risk to reward to trade the upside here. I can definitely see it because we have a clear uptrend. We have a clear uptrend. We have the VWAP trending higher. Same thing with the 90 MA. But I don't know, we're too close to resistance without a significant pullback. So for me, entering here to risk my money or my PAs for a move that is so close to resistance, I don't know, for me it's not worth it yet. About a short, it depends if you're looking for a quick scalp or not, but so far, why going against the trend? A short here, I don't see a reason why you want a short here when it's not a resistance and you have a clear uptrend. nothing is bearish so far. So what do I think about the VWAP, the QQQ being this far above the VWAP? There's nothing to think about it. It's just far from the VWAP. Nothing we can do. Obviously, the more far from the VWAP and the 90 MA it is, the more risky. Because you could definitely have a pullback to the VWAP, but again, so far the SPY and the Q are showing nothing but bullish move. So basically we just need to be patient, or at least I need to be patient and wait for something that I like. So far, I don't love anything. I do like Apple and Microsoft. Both are like, Microsoft is consolidating basically at support. Apple, it's looking like a flag holding support. Yeah, 585, yeah. Good level to watch out on the Q. I'm sorry, on SPY. That's one of my resistance. And then we have all-time high. Okay, we have the Q rejecting Friday high. How much is the APEX 50K account in the activation fee? The 50K is 33 point something, and the activation fee for every single account on APEX right now, it's $85. So basically you're spending like $110, $105 per account per funded account. Crazy cheap. APEX is the cheapest one in the market. We have Apple with the boom boom. That was a clean flag breakout on Apple. Yeah, Tradify is awesome too. I use Tradify straight to funded accounts. Yes, you pay more, it's like 300 something, but I'm saving time. They're up 1,300. That's awesome, Ross. Congrats. Are you trading with Apex or options? No, I don't have a preference. I don't see a reason why having a preference. I do love it's you can trade all of them. Do I have a preference? I think I don't know, it's just I love trading futures, but I love swing trading options. What a move on the queue. I'm gonna go with Microsoft 420 for this week. Yep. My stop loss is gonna be, I'm gonna give it 414. No, you don't have to set hard stop losses. On Apex, it just, with the new rules, you cannot go under 30% of your initial P&L. But lately, I've been using hard stop losses on futures because that way I can move it up and just let it run. Okay, we're getting near 485 on SPY. I like this breakout on the Q. So now what I'm looking is maybe a pullback to Friday high. If we can have a pullback here to Friday high, we could have a good entry on the Q to play the upside continuation, but we do need to be a little bit careful here around Thursday high. It just the daily chart on the Q is a little bit choppy. SPY definitely easier to read, but it's too close to resistance. So just pick one. Both are a little bit difficult to trade right now. Not gonna lie. You guys need to go and read the new rules. 75Ks. I don't think I ever used a 75K account on Apex. I don't see a reason why using that. The risk to reward there is not too good. Same thing with the price. And you don't have the 85 one-time fee PA on the 75 account. 75K account. So I'm not I don't know about the 75K account. I don't know nothing about that one. I've only used the 100K static, the 25K, but I used it in the past. But I only like the 50K and the 150Ks. The 50K is the best one because so how do you know which one is best for you? Or which one is best? You just gotta see how much they're asking you for profit and how much is the drawdown. So if the closer the drawdown and the profits are, the better. So that's how you know which one is best. If you have too much profit that you need to make and a little drawdown, that's bad. The 50K is the one that has the best risk to reward when it comes to profit and drawdown. Here is the pullback. Meta is so weak. It's weird. It's weird. Yeah, the consistency rule is important, but the consistency rule is the same on every single account. It's 30%. So if you need to make too much profit, and you have if you need to make too much profit, you're gonna risk more, right? So your drawdown is gonna move higher, and it's gonna be easier for you to blow up your account. I don't use top step, no. Okay, so we have the Q reacting 496. Let's see if we can hold Friday high. That will be our entry. So far, we have no confirmation that it want to hold Friday high. Awesome, welcome to the family. Okay, that is not looking bueno. That's an ugly 30-minute candle. Ugly 30-minute candle. For both SPY and the Q. Look at that. SPY rejecting Friday close. That's ugly. Yeah, I don't like these 30-minute candles. on SPY and the Q. But we still have Nvidia holding 141. We still have Apple holding very good above the VWAP. Meta's doing nothing, and Microsoft is doing nothing also. Okay, I'm gonna try it here on the Q. My stop loss is gonna be this little low here. Ooh, okay, I'm out. I don't like that. That was a big candle. What happened there? Nvidia is still holding 141. Looks like it just faked me out here, the Q, but we'll see. I don't like these 30-minute candles here on the Q and the SPY. Yeah, that was weird. That was weird. That was a fast move and I don't see it why. Maybe we got some news. Maybe someone is speaking. Okay, that's looking ugly on SPY. I kind of like the short here on SPY. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Dang it. I'm going short here on SPY. My stop loss is gonna be if it can hold the VWAP strong. These 30-minute candles are looking ugly. And we do have a change of trend here. Okay, I like that. I think we could see this 582.50 level, basically Friday's low and Thursday low. But the market's moving weird today. I don't like it. Nvidia is still holding very good. Apple is still holding very good. Microsoft not so much, looking weak. Meta it's holding. It's doing nothing, but it's holding. If the Q can hold the VWAP, that's pretty bullish. Oh, I forgot to use micros. Ooh, I wanted to use micros so I can take profits on the way down. Like I can scale out of my trades. I cannot do that with minis. With minis, pretty much all or nothing. I want to see a SPY retesting Friday's low. And I'm not gonna sell unless it breaks the VWAP. Not gonna lie, it's a little bit difficult day to trade for me. Yeah, I know, trading the downside on this market, it's been very difficult. It's difficult to trust the downside when the market's been so bullish. Okay, so we see Nvidia kind of having trouble around 141. Apple is still holding very good. If Nvidia loses the VWAP, the Q is gonna die. The Q is gonna die. Come on, SPY, give me 582.50. Okay, here we go, Q dying. Let's see if Nvidia is gonna hold the VWAP. If not, again, the Q is gonna die. I wanna see the Q at 491. Okay, we're looking better. Nvidia right at the VWAP. Look at that move on the Q. Just because of Nvidia. Nvidia under the VWAP. Okay. Damn. We're right at Friday's low. Nvidia still under the VWAP. It's still looking weak. Apple right at the VWAP. That reaction is pretty bullish on SPY. Do we have more downside here? Doesn't look like it wants to. Waiting to see here a little bit. If we break this high, I'm getting out. Because that reaction here at support is extremely bullish. still fighting there. It definitely looks bullish. Well, not so much right now, but looks bullish. That was pretty strong reaction at Friday's low on both the SPY and the Q. But I'm waiting to see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Waiting to see if we're gonna break this high. Nvidia rejecting the VWAP, which is bearish. It's gonna help me with this trade, but it's fighting there. I'm waiting to see if either we break this little high here on this 5-minute candle, or we keep going lower till Thursday low, which is gonna be this low here and this one here. And with that move on Nvidia, it looks like it wants to keep going lower. Yep. Again, I completely forgot to play micros instead of mini. I would have been taking profits, logging some profits and holding only runners here. That would be the move for me. Okay, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Damn. I'm all out. All out. Beautiful. That was perfect. That was perfect. We're green, guys. We're green. We're green. We're back to green. Yeah, let's watch out how it's gonna react here. This is definitely a way better support than Friday's low. Well, it's literally around Friday's low, Thursday low, and we have this Wednesday high. So we have resistance here, support, support. Let's see if today is gonna act as support too. The Q is a little bit more choppy. It could definitely keep going lower. I would like to see the Q going lower to 491. It will be a better entry to play either a rejection on 491 or a bounce at 491. But yeah, good one. That was a good one. I took it with Apex and also with my funded futures. So 2 pretty good trades. Yeah, we could definitely had a bounce there. In fact, I might take it, but with SPY. Well, with ES, but we need confirmation. But this is a very, very good level to play. If it holds, to play a bounce. If it rejects, to play a rejection. It's been acting as support and resistance more than 3 days in a row. I would not be for Nvidia loans around 136. As far as I know, you can't DC8. They changed that rule. Either way, you guys can go and read the new rules, watch videos here. You have entire explanation of the new rules. You guys can see it there. I'm long here with Tradeify with one account. My stop loss is gonna be this low, and I'm most likely gonna take profits near the VWAP. You're a tilt? That's no bueno. At least you know what you're doing wrong. So what you're gonna do next is just not doing it again. Simple, not easy, right? Nice bounce on Nvidia here. The queue is a mess. Very choppy. Look at this chart here, this 30-minute candle here. So choppy. I think it's because Nvidia is choppy also. Thank you, Osama. Thank you. And for you guys, the ones that I watch the futures chart, it's also a very important level here for ES. Here, if we cannot hold this low, we're gonna have a lot more downside. Yep. That's awesome. Congrats. Enjoy your day. It's Monday. We want to start the week green. We want to start with the right foot, right? Mm. 492 on the Q. It could if Nvidia goes lower, but it doesn't look like it wants to. And Apple is holding very good. Like the perfect entry for me to play anything, either the upside or the downside, it's around 491 on the Q. Because we can see how important 491 was in the past, like on Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and then 2 weeks ago also. For a SPY, this is a perfect spot. If it loses today's low, this low here, it's just gonna keep going lower, and the next support, big support that I see is 479, 490, 480. I'm sorry, 580, 579. Let's see if I can get a bounce till the VWAP, or at least the 9 EMA, and I'll be out and done for today. Okay, so we are up, or at least I'm up. Pretty good day here on APEX. This is APEX. I'm up also on my funded futures. I took exactly the same trades there. And now I'm playing a straight to funded account on Tradeify. Any of you was able to get the 50% off on the funded accounts? On Tradeify. I don't use evals there. I only buy straight to funded. What do you mean? I'm already in loan. You guys can see it on the screen. And I already also talk about ES levels. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention. By the way, I'm gonna be on vacation next week, the entire next week. So I don't know if I'm gonna be doing streams. I'm definitely gonna be trading, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stream because I'm gonna be surrounded by a bunch of people with noise, music, and I'm gonna be on my laptop also. But I'm gonna be posting videos. I just don't know if I'm gonna be doing live. Okay, I got stop out there. And I got stop out break even. Which is better than red, right? Ooh, if SPY loses this low. Okay, we have a clear break of Thursday low, which is important here because we're losing this higher low structure here on SPY. If we see a rejection of this low, that's definitely very bearish. And the next support that I see is 580, 579. I'll come back the other week. The thing is, like, I'm taking a break because one, I've been making too much money lately, and I think it's good to take breaks either when you have a bad trading streak, and same thing with a good trading streak. So I think it's very good to take at least some days off so you can clear your mind. And for me, it's to not get too excited and stay calm, stay patient, and also enjoy my profits. The second thing of why I'm taking a break is because I'm starting the mentoring December 1st, and that's mentoring is a lot of work. a lot of hours, a lot of effort. So I get super burned after when I end the mentoring, and it's gonna be 2 months. Also, I'm posting the elite video course on December 1st. So when I come back from vacation, I'm gonna be full force working on that video course. So yeah, I need a break before the mentoring, the course, and after having such a good past 3 months. It's been crazy. I never made so much money in my life. Yeah. And every time I take a break, I come back better and stronger. Way better. So it's good for you too, guys. When I took a trade on, I think it was in the middle of this year, I came back and I kept having every single month over 100K per month. I think this month is already 200K. I'm already up 200K, over 200. Let's see. Look at this. Since I took a break. Okay, guys, if you want to trade anything, just wait for a bounce here. Now this level is acting as resistance, right? Or should act as resistance because we had a strong break of that support. So basically we want to see this rejecting here. And remember, like, the market moves levels by level. So if we broke one level, most likely it's gonna go for the next big level, which is 489, 479. We'll wait for a bounce here. I wanna see rejections here, and then the next support 580, 579. So this is what I'm looking next. Huge break there. Okay, so I started using TradeZilla the middle, when was it? I think it was August. Yeah, August. And this is when I came back after taking a break. And this month was, let me see. Yeah, 115K. Yeah, 115K. And then September, it was even better, 180. And then October so far, 224K. And I haven't put what we make today. October, I haven't had one red day. Yeah. So I think that never happened to me with futures. Again, this is only futures. I don't put any of my options trade on TradeZilla. Only futures. And I don't think I ever been able to do this if it wasn't because of prop firms. Honestly, if it wasn't because of APEX, because I can copy trade with 20 accounts. I would have never been able to do this if I was trading with my own account or any other prop firm that doesn't allow me to copy trade with 20 accounts. Yeah, so October so far, it's been very, very good for me. Yes, I had red trades. You can see it here. I had red trades, but not entire red days. Let's see if we can keep doing this. So far, today is green also. And I don't know how much I'm up today. Not so much. But yeah, it's green. Okay, so we're gonna have the Q at 491, the level that I've been talking about. 491, very important. 490, 491, very important level here for the Q. Yeah, look at this 30-minute candle here. We need the Q to hold here. If we cannot hold 490, 490.80 around there, we're gonna have most likely a bigger move to the downside. And this is the next level for SPY. It looks like both SPY and the Q, if we see the bigger picture here, both are trading inside big ranges, right? We have the Q here. I don't know why the Q is having so much trouble testing all-time high. Well, maybe because Meta and Microsoft are not helping on this move to the upside like Nvidia and Apple. But still, I don't know why Microsoft, it's been such a pain in the ass. Same thing with Meta. But yeah, big looks like a big range here for the Q. Pretty much same thing with SPY. If I take out this intraday level, we have a huge range here on SPY. I will say we have this huge resistance here. All-time high, previous all-time high resistance, which is near where we rejected today. And I'm having trouble, even though it doesn't look with my PNL, I'm having trouble trading here because I said it before and I'm gonna say it again. I don't like I have trouble trading when SPY or the Q is so close to all-time highs. It starts to get choppy, start to get at least difficult for me. And adding on top, like days like today that we just opened and we just went straight up, right? That's even more difficult for me to trade. And I think that's why most of the time lately, my first trade is red. And then I come back with good trades like break-even trades, or like today I got back to green, or I got into green. But yeah, whenever we are so close to all-time high, it's extremely difficult for me to trade. Same thing when we have a big move right at the market open. And I'm being I'm happy that I'm being very disciplined on not trading too many trades and waiting for good setups. And skipping Fridays, because you guys know that I always talk about how bad Fridays are for me, and I haven't been playing Fridays too much. And I'm super happy with that, especially this past Friday. I saw yesterday how Friday moved, and it was so bad. It was ugly. So choppy. It was ugly. That price action on Friday was ugly. Okay, so we tap 491. Important level here for the Q. Thank you. What should you do? You're gonna get an email from Apex with instructions. But if you're asking me that, you should go and read Apex FAQ website. Oh, it started to rain outside. Let's see. I'm just waiting and seeing if Microsoft is gonna stop me out, and then I'll be done for today, guys. Any charts that you want me to look at before leaving? Yes, stop trading. If you pass those accounts, stop trading. Yes. You're gonna get an email at the end of the day. Coin? Nah, Rob. You trade coin every single day. You know more about coin than me. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, to be honest. I might just leave it for the video course. No, my code on my funded futures is for everything, but if you're a first time buyer, you get a bigger discount. Oh yeah, I love it. Tradeify straight to funded account. So far, it's my favorite account so far, and you can have up to 7. It's not cheap, but it's saving you time. And they pay, if you follow the rules, you apply for payment and you get your money like in less than an hour. Yeah, it's on discount. Code ADR. Better than fast track? The thing is, like, fast track, it's taking over a month for you to receive your payment. Also, they don't have Tradeovate, and I don't like their CEO, but you can buy 20 accounts. You can copy trade 20 accounts just like Apex, straight to funded accounts, and it's not expensive at all. So if you want to try FTT, I have no problem with that. Here you have FTT, straight to funded. You can buy up to 20 accounts, but they don't have Tradeovate. But you can use I think you can use Ninja. Yeah, nothing like instant funding. That's true. Yes, you can use the stop losses on trading, group trading, copy trading, but yeah, ADR, exactly, ADR. But it's not by brackets. So let's just say, let me see something. Let's see if I can give you an example of that. So if I'm buying a, let's just say I'm going, okay, let's just say I'm going short here, right? I'm just gonna buy one as a example. Going short here, and I'm gonna put my stop loss here. It's gonna be right here. 33. So if I put my stop here, buy, and I put my buy here, if any of these two gets triggered, you're still gonna have to close manually the other one. So you need to be careful with that. So let's move, I'm gonna move this here so I can show you guys a example with that. Wanna see which one is gonna get triggered. Okay, looks like it's gonna be this down here. Okay, I got trigger here, right? Oh no, I put the wrong one. I put the wrong one. Okay, I'm getting out. Whatever, I just made $30, but whatever. So if you play with hard stop losses or take profits, you need to be careful because if one of those get triggered, you need to manually close the other one. If you don't do that, that one is gonna get open, and then if the market goes against you, it's gonna buy you that stop loss that you had open. So I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but after you use it, you're gonna understand it. So it's a little bit tricky. Don't leave anything open. Make sure you always click exit all, or cancel everything on the green button. Otherwise you can get triggered on the stop loss or the profit taking order that you have open. Yeah, I made over 200k this month. Hey Abdullah, how are you? Yeah, I haven't. I'm going to classes, pickleball classes in like a few hours. I'm taking pickleball classes Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays in the afternoon. And I'm going to open plates on Thursday and Tuesdays. So I'm playing pickleball a lot. That's my cardio, also my way of getting rid of the stress that I have with this work. How long it took me? I don't know, but not too many days. It was fast because the thing is, like, when okay, this is gonna sound a little bit cocky, but understand me. If you have money to play, you can get, like what I did with Apex. I bought a bunch of evals and I tried to pass them as fast as I could. I blow up a bunch of evals, but I also got my 20 PAs very fast. Because in my mind was, if I can invest, I don't know, 2K, and I can get back over 100K, 50K, that's a good investment for me. So what I do with evals, if I need to pass eval, I just buy a bunch and I pass them as fast as I can. I don't care if I blow up those accounts, some accounts, but if I get my PA fast, for me, it's like I pay for time. If I can get my PA fast, I don't care if I blew up a few evals and then I'm done with that. I don't like wasting time with evals. The difficult part of doing that is not passing your bad habits or passing fast your evals into your PAs. What I mean with that, if I'm pretty much going all in with evals, I'm gonna have trouble being consistent when it comes to my PA. So again, don't pass your bad trading habits from your evals into your PAs. How much for Piccolo class? I don't know, it doesn't matter to me. Do I trade lean hogs? I don't know what's that. Opportunity time? I don't know what's that. What is opportunity time? Okay, so we have the queue holding here. Thursday low in 491. Nvidia's doing nothing. Meta's still weak. Apple is holding very good, very good. Microsoft doing nothing, not much, but the daily is not looking good. Should we try to scalp here on the queue? Yeah, let's do it. My stop loss is gonna be this low. Oh shoot, I took it with ES. Okay, I took it now with NQ. So yeah, my stop loss is gonna be this low. It should be 491, but I'm gonna give it to this low. SPA is looking weak. It looks like it wants more downside. Oh, and Microsoft is about to stop me out. Oh, so I can show you here, guys. So I put a stop loss here below this candle, and I'm taking one out here. So if I, let's see which one is gonna get triggered, so you guys can see that the other one is gonna still be open, and if I don't close it, it can get triggered too. No, Apex is 1 day to pass. That's the promo they have. 1 day to pass. Come on, just move already. Yeah, it doesn't matter when you bought the... If you bought it 2 weeks ago, so you didn't pass it in 1 day. But yes, it's 1 day to pass right now. That's the promo. 80% off plus 1 day to pass plus only $85 one-time fee per PA. Come on, just go higher. Eval, it's a evaluation account. PA, it's a funded account. I cannot recommend you if you should buy 5 or 10 Apex account. That's up to you. Honestly, that's very personal. I don't know what's your money situation. Even if you say you have the money, I don't know what's the money situation. So I think that's very personal. I think it's up to you. You can do both. It depends what prop firm you're using, TJ. So you can use a profit. You can use a profit that allows you to buy straight to funded accounts, which you're gonna pay a little bit more for that. Or if you wanted the cheaper option, go with Apex, that it give you very cheap options to buy evals, but it's gonna take you time to pass the evals and then get to a profit target and then get your funded account and then go to a, yeah, it's just pick and choose which one you want to do. You can go and buy straight to funded, or you can go and start with evals. You want to choose a cheaper option but it's gonna take you more time, or you want to buy the more expensive option and you can start making money right away. So on my Discord, I made a post last week where I pretty much recommend which funded account I think is best right now and which eval it's best right now, especially if you're starting with prop firms. How do I manage the anxiety? It's just trading. I guess that comes with being doing this for so long. But there are definitely some tricks, like learning how to read the candlestick, learning what other stocks to watch. Like while I was watching this trade here, I was also watching what Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft were doing, and yeah, I was very comfortable holding there. Okay, so see, I sold me one because I put a order here, but I still have open my stop loss, right? So let's just say I want to be all out. Let's just say I was all out here, right? I was all out here. So then I need to be careful and not leaving anything open, because if the market goes lower here and I don't have any trade open but I have this order open, it's gonna buy me 2 shorts here. So that's when I said that you can use hard stops and hard profit taking orders here on Trade-O-Vate, but you need to be careful because one of those 2 are gonna still be open. So let's just move my stop loss here and see where this is gonna go. There you have it. Okay, we're rejecting here 493. It was resistance, support. So far it's acting as resistance. I'm here waiting to see if we can tap the VWAP. Thank you, Keen. Remember to like the video, guys. Like. And if you want to learn how I do this, how I make over 100K trading futures, and also how I swing trade options, you guys are gonna can get that info, like my step-by-step process, how I do everything from before the market open till how I manage my swing trades when you guys don't see me, because obviously you don't see me how I manage my swing trades when I'm not on the stream. So you can learn everything I know about trading on my mentoring program. And it's gonna be a 60 days program where I pretty much hold your hand and tell you everything that you're doing wrong, also what you're doing right, and what you could change to make your trading profitable in 60 days. So everything is here on my mentoring program. And if you have any more questions, just DM me on Discord. But I'm done for today, guys. Should I close here? I'm hungry. It's almost 12 o'clock. And I need to eat because I'm having a pickleball class in like 1 hour and a half. So where is these take profits here on futures? Let me see. Oopsie. This is so my stop loss is at this candle low, and my PT is gonna be this candle high. It's almost there. Well, not really. One fell. You guys want to see these, or it's okay for me to leave and just put my price target and my stop loss and I'm gone? Or you guys want to see these, how this trade ends? You guys have the entire info there on the link. Just go take a little bit. It takes only like 3 minutes to read that. But basically, the regular mentoring, we're gonna have you're gonna have access to the video course, a secret chat on my Discord, and we're gonna have group classes, and it's group classes in January, so you guys can start the next year strong and green. And the 0 to 100K mentoring, you're gonna have all that, plus we're gonna have one-on-one video calls. So basically only you and me in December. So you can ask me pretty much anything you wanna know about my trading. So basically the mentoring you don't have one-on-one video classes with me. You only have the group classes where you can also ask me questions. Obviously, Q&A, it's gonna be live. Nothing's gonna be pre-recorded. Everything is live. The course open on December 1st. But right now, you guys having the prices that you see there, those are the pre-sale prices. So the mentoring, the course, the mentoring, the 0 to 100K, it's gonna be more expensive in the future. Gonna move my stop loss a little bit higher here. Oh, thank you, Brit. Thank you. I like it. Thank you. Where is the price? The price right there. If you click the link, if you take like 3 minutes to read, you have everything there. Yeah, you're right. I can trade. You're exactly right. I can trade. That's why I'm selling this. I'm selling courses. You're right. It's like telling a math teacher that she shouldn't be getting paid for her knowledge because she cannot do math. Okay, I'm almost out. Let's see if it's gonna hit my PT and I'll be out. It's okay, I understand. That's broke mentality. Like, I understand why people think like that. I'm done. Out. Beautiful trade there. We trade the downside, we trade the upside. We had one red. No, I think we had two. I had one red with APEX at the beginning. Then we have one big green, and then we have one red here with my funded futures. Also, these two trades were exactly the same trades that I took with Apex, and then I have one little red here and we have one big green. So so pretty good, guys. Basically, with this trade you pay for the mentoring. If you took these trades with me, you pay for the mentoring program. So I'm done. Watch out for this level here on SPY. That's Thursday low. Beautiful, perfect bounce here on the Q. So yeah, watch out for this level here on SPY. This could be another opportunity to play a rejection, but I would like to see it more if we had the VWAP here, because you can still go higher and try to retest the VWAP. We'll see. Well, you guys see it. I'm out here. So thank you guys. Remember to hit the like on the video. I'll see you guys mañana.